I'm Sarah Robinson. I work in the Sainsbury Laboratory. I work on plant development, mostly from a mechanical point of view. So my main research is how plants grow to create the shapes that they have. Particularly, we're looking at cell division versus cell expansion, which are the two things that control growth. And so we're looking at the trade-offs between those two processes and how they interact with each other. I do curiosity-driven research, so I like to understand how plants grow, how they develop, how they obtain the size and shape that they have, and the different processes that contribute to that. So I guess plants, unlike animals, the cells are glued together, so they can't move. So if something happens in one cell, it affects what the other cell can do. And so I'm kind of interested in understanding how these processes have to sort of work together so that you get a final coherent shape that's produced that doesn't sort of rip apart or have big bulges in it. This is what I'm trying to understand by studying plants growing and by doing mechanical tests on them. I really like my job because I get to do tons of different things. So I work in the Sainsbury Lab, which is interdisciplinary, so I get to work on microscopes, I get to build tiny robots, I get to write computational models, I get to interact with people who have all those different backgrounds and who work on different projects. And because it's so fundamental, I work on different plant species as well. So I've worked on teff, which is this grass in Africa. I work on hibiscus flowers. I work on the liverwort marcantia. I work on Arabidopsis, obviously. So just like a lot of diversity in terms of people and questions and tools, which makes my life very exciting, I think. My career path was fueled by indecision. So I liked science, but I wasn't sure which science. So I studied natural sciences at Cambridge, which lets you choose different subjects across a whole range of science. Then I did a rotation PhD at the John Innes, which lets you go to different labs and try them out. Then I did an interdisciplinary computational plant development PhD that was based in the UK, in the John Innes, and also in Canada. So I get to go to both labs, and I got to learn modelling, and I got to learn plant development. And then I sort of expanded even further and moved to Switzerland and did some biomechanics as well. And so I've just always been interested in like putting together different subjects and not being stuck in one kind of narrow field. I really like integrating things from all over the place, different ideas. And so that's kind of what I've pursued, I guess, as much as possible. Is just trying to stay quite broad and just sort of moving around a little bit.